widow can bake, and the widow can brew, the widow can shape, and the widow can sew, and many more things the widow can do. Then hey for the widow, my laddie, what could you wish better, yet pleasure to crown than a widow that money is tossed to the town? We never but draw in your store and sit down and sport with a widow, my laddie. Then tell her and ken her we courtesy deed, though stark love and kindness be all ye can plead. Be handsome and airy and haughty succeed, we a balmy gay widow, my laddie. Strike on while 'tis hot,